This is prop tape. You cut it to 1/4 all the way up to 3/4. Don't stretch it, and then pull it to the tip. But the main thing is do not stretch it. This is my second application of it, and this one looks like it's held on a lot better than the first one. The tips were coming unglued last time, but you can see they're in good position. Out in there still seems to be okay. I almost destroyed this prop, not knowing that running it in soft sand was sandblasting it, so from here on out I'm going to put prop tape on it.